If you are facing skin issues such as acne marks, acne scarring, dark spots, textured skin, enlarged pores, so this video is for you all. I would be sharing with you all one product that would help you all to get rid of all of these issues, so watch the video till the end. Hi guys, I'm Mansi and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you all about one magical product which is called niacinamide, which helps to cater to a lot of skin issues and gives you that flawless and even toned skin. In today's video, in particular, I would be talking about this product from Dot & Key, which is their 10% niacinamide clearing serum. If this topic interests you, so watch the video till the end, and now let's just begin. So before I jump into the product and show you all its texture, its application, and talk about this product in detail, let me quickly tell you all about what is niacinamide and how does it work. So niacinamide basically helps you to minimize the pores. It also works on a hyperpigmentation, works on acne scars, acne scarring, the redness that causes because of acne, and it also helps you to even tone the skin. It works on textured skin, and it also helps in balancing the sebum production, which in further helps you to give that even tone and flawless skin. This product basically caters to a lot of skin issues, and I would say it is magic in little bottle. Now talking about the product, this is how the product looks like. I absolutely love the outer packaging. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this. Also has a magnetic closure like this, which is really cool. Basically all of their serums comes in similar packaging. I absolutely love it. And once you open it, you have your serum bottle placed very nicely here. Now I'll quickly take out the serum bottle, and this is how the bottle looks like. I absolutely love their packaging. I love basically all of their packaging, their serums and also their creams. It comes in a plastic bottle like so, and also has a dropper. The dropper is really good and it is not at all flimsy. Now I'll quickly read what's written here on the packaging. So they say it visibly fades dark spots, minimizes the pores while improving skin's overall texture and clarity. It is infused with 1% zinc, also vitamin E and B5 and glowing boosting formula. So I've already talked about what niacinamide does, and now I'll quickly tell you all what zinc does. So zinc is basically an antioxidant and it helps in getting you an even toned skin. Also this is infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and B5, which gives you a nice boost of hydration and keeps your skin moisturized. All Dot & Key products are 100% cruelty free and they are free from toxic chemicals. Now talking about the texture of this product, the product is very lightweight, as it has a very runny consistency, and also it absorbs into the skin very quickly. Now like you can clearly see that it is very runny. Also this product has a little fragrance in it, which is not bothering to me at all. Now I'll quickly show you all the application onto my face. You need to take 4 to 5 drops of this face serum and apply it onto your face and neck, and then gently tap it with your fingertips. It has a very lightweight and non-greasy formula, and it absorbs into the skin very quickly. It is advised to use this serum both in the morning as well as in the evening, followed by a moisturizer and a sunscreen. So I've been using this serum for over 15 days now, and I can see a bit of difference in my skin. Though I don't have acne prone skin, so I don't have any issues with acne scarring, redness or irritation, but I do have texture and I could see a slight bit difference in my skin. My skin definitely looks a bit more clearer and I can easily see the difference in my skin. Also I got this acne, which is very rare. I don't get acne that often, so I got this one acne and I've been applying this serum on this acne for a week now, and I could see that it has subsided a lot and it has started fading, and that's why I believe that it really works well on acne prone skin and helps you to reduce acne and acne scarring. Talking about the price for this product, it is very fairly priced at 1095 rupees. Normally niacinamide serums that you get in the market are a bit on an expensive side, and I believe that this is very fairly priced. Also you can get 10% discount using my code that I will be putting in the description box, also on the screen. So make the most out of it, and you can use that code while checkout on Dot & Key's website. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give it a like, do subscribe, be a part of my virtual family, and I shall see you all with my next video super soon. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.